How to change ringtones in phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings. After that, go to sounds and vibration. Then go to ringtone. Here you will see a bunch of ringtones. Select the one that you like. But if you also want to add a new ringtone or a new sound as ringtone, all you have to do is tap on this plus icon and then a sound picker will appear over here. All your songs or medias that are in your device will appear over here. All you have to do is select it, then select done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.